Good evening, friends. This is Advocate Satish Mishra. Today, sharing my insights on the topic of mutual consent divorce in Tri-City, that is Chandigarh, Panchkula, Mohali, and nearby cities like Derabassi, Kharar. So, what is mutual consent divorce? Section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act provides for the provision of mutual divorce in India. Mutual divorce happens when there are no dispute interstate between the couples. They have settled the dispute amicably. It can be regarding child custody, it can be regarding alimony, one time or permanent one, financial arrangement between the spouse, istridhan, marriage gift, or whatsoever kind of monetary dispute which the parties can possibly fight upon. So there is no dispute between the parties in mutual consent divorce, and as a result of which it just takes 6 months to dissolve the marriage legally. So this is the fastest way whereby the person or the spouse who knows that their marriage has failed miserably and there is no possible scope of reconciliation or any possibility that they can live together can opt for the mutual consent divorce. Now the conditions for mutual consent divorce is there should be a 1 year separation between the parties. If there isn't, then they can't file for mutual consent divorce. And also, as per section 14, there cannot be any divorces within 1 year of marriage, unless there is an exception that the person is of unsound mind or the marriage is void or illegal. Barring that, there cannot be any divorce within 1 year of marriage. Now, for mutual consent divorce procedure and process in Tri-City, it just takes 6 months for the divorce. First motion happens on the very first date when you file your case. Statements of the parties are recorded before the judge. The judge usually counsels that what can be the possible dispute between the parties and whether they have both settled it amicably, there is no dispute, and the parties are not under any duress to end the marriage. Then, similarly, after 6 months, the second motion is recorded before the same judge, and after which the court passes its decree or the order mentioning that the parties' marriage has been dissolved. So, for educated couples, those who are broad minded and accept that the marriage has failed, mutual consent divorce is the best way to opt out of failing marriage, in my view. And in case if you want to look for more queries or questions, you can always visit my website and do leave your suggestions or thoughts in my comments box, and I look forward to it. Thanks for your time. Thank you.